This one is a 1977 Royal Custom 3. It's got like a blue and green color scheme. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. To feed the paper, this lever has to be back. If it's forward, it won't feed. So when you put it forward, what that does is it loosens up the roller so you can pull the paper out easily. Flip it back, feed the paper. To set the margins, it's got these magic margins on the top here. So to set the left margin, right now it's where we want it, but if you want to set it here, you just push that down and it'll set the margin there. And then if you want to set it further, you just hold it down and push it. Same thing with the right side. Just set it right there. When you get to the end of the margin, you'll hear the bell. To get it to the back to the beginning, push this lever and it'll space it between 1 and 2 space. Right now we have it in a single space, so we finish up typing here. All the keys type really good. This is a really nice typing typewriter. So if you want something for a daily typer that's easy, this is your typewriter. To switch the color of the ribbon, it's got a red and black ribbon on it. So you switch that up to red. The other options are black or white. When you do white, it just won't, this won't come up at all. Blue, see it comes up, and red just comes up higher so it hits the bottom of the ribbon. So we're going to type a sentence with red. Get a close up of that. It prints really nice too. As you can see, let's use the rest of the functions. So flip that down and pull that out. Back. Backspace works good. This function is the resistance for your keys. So if you got low, then you just have to press the keys harder, and high, you don't have to press them as hard. I keep it on medium, depending on your type style. To set a tab, right now it has no tabs. So you hit column. When you hit column, it won't stop. So let's set a tab right there, and it stops where you set it. To clear it, you hit the clear button. And now we have no tabs. Margin release, so you get to the end of the margin and you can't type anymore. So you hit the margin release, and you can type past that margin if you want to. Caps lock, and that's about it. Now available on Etsy or eBay. Search Brooksaw Antiques.